Hi everyone, Kaylee here. Today I wanted to share with you how I came up with the matcha collagen blend. So we have a new blend on our website. It is matcha and collagen, and I came up with this. I went to Fernando and I said, I really think we should carry something with collagen. Collagen is a great supplement. I'm sure you see it many places, but it has a lot of benefits for the body. So why not add it into something that customers already love? So I did an extensive amount of research into different places that offer collagen, a good high quality organic collagen, and even did the research of how much collagen you guys should be taking in it for a daily intake to do the ratios, and we finally came up with a great matcha collagen blend. So I encourage you guys to check this out. From our customers who have purchased it, we have had great raving reviews and we're really loving the feedback. So I encourage you guys to check it out on our website, zenstea.com. Thank you.